Well, initially when I used to play a lot of tennis ball cricket. I remember those days when tennis ball was taken very much into consideration, especially the young coming cricketers, and a lot of tournaments been played with the tennis ball. I think one of those tournaments I was playing, and I still remember that Sri Ramakant Achekar, who was my mentor, and who was there at the that particular ground watching the tennis ball cricket was going on. And he suggested, after watching me, he suggested that this boy should be coming to these nets. And that was the beginning for me. And I never thought about, playing in the with the hardball cricket and getting this opportunity and to reach that level. But I think that was the beginning when I got this opportunity. Well, this is what I personally feel, that playing tennis ball cricket has made me very, very smart cricketer, because playing in a different, grounds, different tournaments made me, I think, very smart cricketer with the tennis ball. That was beginning, as I said, and later on, I got a very good opportunity to play playing under Ashok Mankad, late Ashok Mankad, who really inspired me and who had a lot of faith in me as a youngsters. And I remember that the responsibility which he has handed over to me when there was 7 test cricketers in the team, and team called Mafatlal, one of the best team I would say that I ever played. And after that, the responsibility which was given to me, given me a lot of confidence, and I had a lot of time to spend with Kaka, with Ashok Mankad. And whenever I used to discuss with him, there are so many tactics, so many planning and strategies been taught to me indirectly, but of course I had to spend a lot of time. Not that Ashok Mankad was asking me to come, but that was a time that I really wanted to learn something, because I knew that cricketer had a lot of dream, I would say, and every cricketer should have that dream. But playing for Mumbai, that I wanted to play for Mumbai, and that was the beginning for me to learn something under Ashok Mankad, and that was given me a big boost. Well, I always had a dream to play for Mumbai, because playing for Mumbai is as good as playing for India that time. Because I personally feel that 7 to 8 players from the Mumbai team used to play for India, and that gave me a big boost, because I always wanted to be part of that Mumbai team. And when you could see that playing with Mr. Sunil Gavaskar, Eknath Solkar, Sandeep Patil, Milind Rege, then Dilip Vengsarkar, all these senior cricketers being around in Mumbai team, I think I always felt that playing for Mumbai is a great pride. Well, looking at the Mumbai team, that always Mumbai had these big stalwarts, like all these names I have already taken, and those players were playing for Mumbai. And as a youngsters, I always looking up to those cricketers, and we always running towards the Wankhede Stadium to watch. I remember the incident when Sandeep Patil was playing one particular game, and people used to talk very high about him, that but I was still youngsters, and I wanted to learn something, and I had to run all the way to Wankhede Stadium to watch Sandeep's inning, because he was very aggressive and attacking player, and that is also given great motivation. And those cricketers playing in those arena, I think always been pushing us coming up. And I still remember even Sandeep Patil playing at Shivaji Park, that always made me running after him. So these are the cricketers. Ashok Mankad playing great innings in Time Shield. Those days Time Shield was one of the major tournaments, and those tournaments when we were playing as a youngsters, I think that playing against the top class cricketers, like even in the State Bank team, that Bishan Singh Bedi and Gundlappa Vishwanath, all these test cricketers were playing. So naturally, that as a youngsters, you keeping that small photographs with in your notebook of these top class cricketers, and you always dreaming to play with them. Well, I think it was a great motivation in the team. That is first I would say, and the team which we had, that had a lot of confidence and belief within themselves, and every individual had that belief. So I think when we are planning about the games, because I remember one game playing against Delhi at Wankhede Stadium, that game was already lost in the first inning. To come back in that game, we never thought that we will be able to make it, because the lead was so big that to complete that lead and then put the opponent into the bat and win the game, it was impossible according to me as a youngster when I was playing. But I think that Sandeep was leading the team, and unfortunately Sunil was in the dressing room that he was not feeling well. But when we came back on the ground, and we everybody started feeling that we are going to win this game. Because see, everybody started believing in their own ability, and as a Mumbai team, Mumbai always been winning the the matches, and that kind of confidence everybody had. And apart from that, I would say that because I personally had a lot of confidence, because looking at the Delhi team and looking at Mumbai team, when the two teams are at the ground, and when you look at your team, that you know that these are the capable players where we have, and they can produce that result, that they can change the game and change the entire scenario of the game, which that kind of confidence I personally am standing behind the stumps. And of course, Ravi Shastri was there, and who got the 8 wickets haul in that particular match and turning the match all over the the other side, and favoring Mumbai to win that. That was the greatest win, I would say, so far I've seen and I've played. Absolutely, Khadus word which has come from Mumbai only, because the Khadus, I would say that I remember one incident when Sunil Gavaskar was batting and against Bengal, and that first over, the Barun Burman appeal, that leg before decision, which went against the Bengal. But Gavaskar, when he came in the dressing room at the lunch time, and he just said, we have to be very, very Khadus, and we have to bat throughout the day. We don't want to throw our wickets. We don't want to give that opportunity to opponent to win the game. We don't want to give that opportunity to opponent to get our wickets. So it's simple is that we got to be Khadus. We got to be staying at the cricket pitch and stay that make sure that you don't lose your wicket. So ultimately, in whatever situation you are trying to play, it's simple is that you don't throw your wicket. Let the opponent earn your wicket. So that is a simple advice which is given to us, and I am sure from that I think that is what I have learned, that we got to be Khadus, not to throw your wickets. Of course, it is definitely one of the major reason, I would say, because there is so much competition where you don't get opportunity to play.